did another mod to the 2021 Toyota Tundra exhaust. Let's take a listen. Alrighty. Truck is filthy. That's what happens when it's 20 degrees at night and 40 during the day. And yeah. So anyway, exhaust is Dirty Deeds straight pipe kit. And yeah, there's no muffler on this truck. And it sounds wonderful. I think the kit was $500 on the website. I can't remember. Install was easy. Won't bore you with that. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts, one 12 millimeter and 4 14 millimeter. Used an air tool. Didn't even jack it up. I even got my fat self under there. And yeah, it took me about 45 minutes, I think. Yeah, super easy install. A good quality pipe. It's Dirty Deeds Industries. And let's see if we can't get a listen to it revved up. Okay, so there you go with it revved up. Sounds awesome. Sounds like a good old school glasspack exhaust without all the cheesiness. So next we'll go down the highway at 65 and see what it sounds like from inside the cab. Okay, driving around town, 25 miles an hour. You can't really hear it. Oh, so 75. Oh, that sounds sweet. That sounds so good. Alrighty, take her down to cruising speed. There's a little bit of a drone. Now this is a 2021 Tundra Crew Max 1794 edition with a canopy on the back. You know, it's a little droney. Let's see. Now we're doing, we got 1500. unless I've been going over the speed limit. If I bring it back down to my normal cruising speed, 60 into 55, I mean, it's barely noticeable. So yeah, there you go. Dirty Deeds Industries straight pipe kit. I think I got mine. They are having a sale. I got free shipping and a discount, military discount thing. And I think I got it for like under $350 shipped. I think it's normally $500. But yeah, good quality kit, super easy to install yourself. Just a couple of hand tools. The only issue I had installing mine was where the back of the pipe, where it goes from a dual down into a single, and then goes into the last section of tailpipe right before the rear axle. Where that joined together, the factory clamp was like maybe half an inch, 5/8 wide, and the crimp they put, or the roll they put on the Dirty Deeds pipe was a little too big, so it didn't fit over it perfectly. So I had to be a little creative and use a C-clamp and a jack to get it down, and it sealed up fine and it worked. It just wasn't a perfect factory fit, just because their roll crimp was a little too big. So it made the joint wider and the factory clamp. Yeah. So anyway, there you go. Stop talking and enjoy this new exhaust system. And yeah, it's just driving it around town, going out to lunch and stuff. It turns heads. It sounds sweet. It sounds like a old muscle car with glass packs. I love it. Love that sound. So I'm giving this system a thumbs up. I do have the TRD tip. I forgot to mention that. I don't know how much that affects it. If that affects the drone, because it's a flared out factory TRD tip. But I don't know. Anyway, I love it. You might not. Depends on your tolerance for noise. Mine's pretty high. I raised 2 kids. So, alrighty. Trey Veston out.